had the first race crop race. Ready, set, go. Go, motherfucker. And the winner is... Sophia, come here.
It's sticking out.
From your butt. Jennifer, what are your thoughts on life? I want a joint.
Don't put this on Facebook.
Do not take copywriting class because it makes you crazy.
Fuck you and your fucking solid background.